You and me, Lord.
Ooh, can you hear it? Ooh, can you hear it? That train a-coming around the bend. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I got my ticket. I'm standing in this ticket line. I hear that sound, that choo-choo sound being carried in the wind. Oh, being carried in the wind. That choo-choo sound, oh, it's being carried in the wind. Can't you hear it? Can't you hear it, my friend? I got my ticket. I'm standing in this ticket line. Oh, I got my ticket. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I hear that choo-choo sound being carried in the wind. I'm ready to go. I hear that choo-choo sound. Can't you hear it, friend, being carried in the wind? Oh, can't you hear it, that choo-choo sound? Oh, it's coming around the bend. It's coming around the bend. Get your ticket, friend. Get your ticket. Get in this line. If you wanna go, get your ticket, get in this line. Ooh, 'cause that train's coming, that train, that choo-choo sound. Can't you hear it? Oh, can't you hear it? Oh, can't you hear it? I can hear it. I can hear that sound being carried in the wind. Carry me away, my friend, I can't wait. Oh, can't you hear that choo-choo sound being carried in the wind? Get your ticket, get in this ticket line. Oh, carried in the wind, that choo-choo sound, friend. Oh, can't you hear it? That train's coming around the bend. Jesus, he's the captain. Oh, it may never pass this way again. Oh, can't you hear it? That choo-choo sound. Oh, that choo-choo sound being carried in the wind. Oh, it's being carried, my friend. Get your ticket. Get in this line. Ooh, if you wanna go, if you wanna go. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was Rose, Gone. Thank you so much. It's uploaded by Sing King. Thank you so much. May God bless you in so many ways. You too, you too. 1,000,000+1. My recording app in Google. Thank you so much. That's I've done that song twice to a guitar version with my brother picking the guitar. So thank you again so much, FYI. Lord God, thank you so much. Jesus name I pray, amen.